Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Vanguard error van 185. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program and search for Riot Vanguard. Just right click on it and select uninstall and select yes. Select yes again. You just need to press in keyboard F5 to refresh this page. As you can see, Riot Vanguard is deleted. After that, just to close off here. Now you need to open up Riot client. Select any game and you just need to select the update option to install Vanguard. After getting update done, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and OK. On left side, you just need to select start the service. After starting the service, you just need to close stuff here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up with system configuration. Click on open it. Select services tab and hide all Microsoft services. Check mark it. And then you just need to make sure to check mark this VGC service. After check marking it, you just need to select startup tab and select open task manager. In here, you just need to right click on the vgtray.exe and select enable. This is Riot Vanguard services guys, and another one is Riot client services. Just right click on it and select enable it. After doing it, just close stuff here, select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.